Hey everybody, welcome back to This Dude Bakes. Today I've got a delicious cranberry upside down cake recipe for you. I'm going to be using fresh cranberries in this recipe. You can use fresh or frozen, but I want to let you know if you use the frozen, don't thaw them out. Just take them out of the freezer and follow the instructions that I have in the video and you'll be fine. Alright, so let's go.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 175 degrees Celsius. Take an 8 by 8 inch square pan, butter it generously. Take 1/3 cup of sugar and put it on the bottom. And then take your 2 cups of cranberries, put it on top of that. And then cover your cranberries with 1/3 cup of sugar. And then cover it with foil and put it in the oven for about 30 minutes.
Now this cranberry sugar mixture, you want to be sure to let it cool a little bit before you start your batter that you're going to put on top of it. One of the reasons you don't want to start your batter too soon is the baking powder will get activated by the moisture and the little bit of heat that's generated by your mixer going, and it'll start the process of the leavening, and you don't want to start it too soon.
So this is what your cranberries will look like after they've cooled a little bit. Next, you'll start the batter. Put the liquids in first. 2/3 cups of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cake flour, 1/4 cup of softened butter, and then your baking powder, lemon zest, and salt. And mix it only on first speed for just about a minute, maybe a minute 15 seconds. Now take your batter and spread it out evenly over the top of the cranberries, and then put it in your oven for between 40 and 50 minutes. Now with this recipe in my oven, I found that I had to take foil for about the last 10 minutes and cover the top of the pan in the oven so that it wouldn't get too dark on top. You may have to do the same. Toothpick test, make sure it comes out clean. And then you can see it's nice and golden brown. Once you get it out of the oven, you can invert it onto a plate or a serving tray, if you want to call it that. Let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you can remove the pan. And this is how your cranberry upside down cake should look. And there you go.
And there you have it, folks, a delicious, easy to make cranberry upside down cake. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you try the recipe out and let me know how it works for you. And Lord willing, I'll see you again soon. Have a great day. Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a moment to let you know about my book that's out, 242 Thoughts of a Baker Volume 1. Some of the thoughts that are in the book, they may surprise you some, and it's entertaining, and it's a quick read, and it may make you laugh out loud. The only bad news is that it's only available at Amazon.com right now. That may turn some people off, but that's the way it is right now. So check it out if you like, and let me know what you think. Thanks.